Choice bamboo shoots from Sichuan High Mountains by Jack and Kings. These original bamboo shoots have been chopped into dices and frozen fresh. Rich in vitamins and dietary fiber. Perfect for braised pork and stew, smells even better than fondue. Boil some water in the pot, parboil the winter bamboo shoot dices for 30 minutes. Scoop them up to soak in the cold water for 6 hours. Heat your pan with some oil, then stir-fry some sugar until it turns caramel. Add some streaky pork to burn some of the fat into oil. Then put the chopped green onions, bay leaves and the bamboo shoot dices to stir-fry them together. Flavor the stir-fry with cooking sherry, soy sauce, dark soy sauce and a pinch of salt. Pour proper amount of water, lid on to simmer it on medium heat for 40 minutes. When the pork is cooked thoroughly, turn to high heat to absorb the sauce to serve. The winter bamboo shoot dices take in the juice. They became crunchy and quite appetizing. Perfect to go with beer and rice. What a satisfaction! Jack and Kings, a taste of China anytime anywhere.